Want to automatically scan your device for any threat? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this with the AVG Antivirus. So go ahead and open up AVG Antivirus, guys. You can easily go ahead and download this from the Play Store, App Store. So you can type in AVG Antivirus in the application and you can easily find it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, open up the Play Store, and I'm going to just simply search for AVG Antivirus, right? So you'll find it. So I'm going to type that in and you can see right here that I found the app AVG Antivirus and Security. You can install it and then open it on your phone. Now, once you're in the application, click on Explore and of course go to Scan Center and scroll down and you'll find automatically scan for threats. So this is going to automatically scan your phone as often as possible and it's going to do that daily for any threats that it will find on your phone. And that's it. You can achieve this, but keep in mind that you need to upgrade. And so once you upgrade, you'll have the opportunity to set and use this automation on your phone.